Good afternoon students, welcome to my channel again. Let's start with chapter 1 of class 10th maths. So chapter number 1 name is real numbers. So let's discuss about this chapter. Before going to start the exercise 1.1, we have to discuss some basic points that you've seen the exercise 1.1. So let's start. What is prime number and what is composite number? So what is prime number? A number having only two factors. That is 1 and number itself. And what is composite number? Number having more than two factors. For example, number 4. 4 having factors 1, 2 and 4. So 4 have the more than 2 factors. It is a composite number. And example of prime number is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 23, 29, 41, etc. So, some students have the doubt between factor and multiple. What are factors and what are multiples? So, let's discuss about this. What is factor? Factor is a number which is divisible the given number, which divides the given number. So factor of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. And what about multiple? Multiple means table of 6, otherwise a number that divides other numbers. That are the multiples of number. So difference between factors and multiple is this. Factor is a number which divides the given number, and multiple is that number that divides the number given and the multiple. In this chapter, we have to find the LCM, HCF, prime factorization and the difference between rational and irrational number. So, let's start with the topic prime factorization. Prime factorization. So, what is prime factorization? Let's start. We have to given number 24. Then make the factors by using this 24. 24 is even number. So even number is divisible by 2. 2 divides 24. Add the 12. Then 12 is even number. Then 2 is divisible. Then 6 is even number. Again it is divisible by 2. Then 3 is a prime number, so it is divisible by 3. So prime factorization of 24 is written by 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 1, and in power form 2 raised to power 3 times, 3 1 times and 1 time. So main purpose is prime factorization means all the numbers you have to divide it which are always prime. So if you do factorization of 24 like this. 4 divides 24, add the number 6, and 6 is divisible by 2 and 3. So this is the wrong method because 4 is not our prime number. In the prime factorization, we have to know that number and the factors are always prime. Let's start with the second example, 7 to 9. 7 to 9 is odd number. So what we have to do, sum of digits. Sum of digits is 7 plus 2 plus 9, that is 18. 18 is divisible by 3. So the given number is divisible by 3. It is the short trick to check that the number is divisible by 3 or not. So make the factors by dividing it into 3. So 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 2 3s are 9. Again it is divisible by 3 on number 81. Again it is divisible by 3 on number 27. Again 3, again 3. So prime factorization of 729 is 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. It's of 6 times. And make sure that 1 is always written because it is used in find the LCM or HCF. Let's start with the prime factorization Ncert exercise 1.1. Question 1 is prime factorization of 140, 156. Other questions are also available. So let's discuss about the number 140. 140 is even number, so it is divisible by 2. 70 is again a even number, it is divisible by 2. 35 is not a even number, so it's not divisible by 2. Sum of digits is 3 plus 5, 8. 8 is not divisible by 3. So it is not divisible by 3. Now next prime number is 5. 5 divides 35 on what number? 7. Then 7 is a prime number. So prime factorization of 140 is 2 multiply 2 multiply 5 multiply 7. And it can be written as 2 raised to power 2, 5 raised to power 5, 7 raised to power 1 and 1 raised to power 1. In this question you have to care about that numbers, make the factors and also it written in the prime factorization form. Otherwise you have to cut number 1 from this question. Now let's start with the second question. 156. 156 is a even number. So it is divisible by 2, that is 78. 78 is again a even number. It is divisible by 2, that is 39. Sum of digit is 3 plus 9, that is 12. And 12 is divisible by 3. So it is divisible by 3. On what number? 13. 13 is a prime number. So 13 is divisible by only 13. So prime factorization of 156 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 13 into 1. And in power form 2 raised to power 2, 3 raised to power 1 and 13 raised to power 1.